Hey guys, Technical with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to do a color comparison between the natural titanium versus the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro lineup. If you're deciding between these two colors, hopefully this video will help you determine which one to buy. Now, we already did the unboxing for these phones. If you guys want a detailed unboxing, check those videos out. We'll leave those in the comment section or the description section. So let's start with the natural titanium color one, which is the new color on the iPhone lineup here. So this is the natural color, which is more of a whitish to silver color if you were to describe it, the range between them. So that's the natural titanium. And here, as you can see, just a quick look at the back here, matte back finish, these huge cameras, and then you have the side button here, 5G minimum wave. And then let's take a look at the overall build here. You have the action button and then the USB-C charging, which is the new feature. So that's how you're looking at if you're looking at the natural color for the iPhone 15 Pro. Now let's put that aside and take a look at the blue one, which again we did unboxing. If you're gonna check that out. And in the box here we have the blue one, blue titanium. Now the blue finish, again, it's a deep blue color. So it almost seems like it's a midnight color, but here is the blue one in different lighting from the back. Again, I honestly really like the blue one color here, but I'll let you decide. Here's the side finish. Again, this matte finish definitely prevents a lot of fingerprint mark, which was kind of annoying in the other models here. And then again, that USB-C and those glasses, and then the cameras and the front here. Now let's compare them side by side. So 6.1-inch display for both of them. As you'll notice here, the color, will let you guys decide which one you guys like. But basically most of the color you see are from the back here. So that's how they look in reflective light. And then the side here, the bottom here as well, you can see. And then the side with the action button now, which is available on the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, and then the top here as well. So that's what you're looking at. It's trying to connect both of the devices because I put them too close together. But from a top view here, that's what it looks like. In the front view, it's the same. It's a 6.1-inch display. Both have dynamic island, smaller bezel around you if you notice that. But that's it for this comparison. I hope this video was helpful, and we want to hear from you guys. What's your favorite color on the 15 Pro lineup if you got one of this, or what would you choose between these two devices if you were able to choose? Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.